Let's do a robotics company deep dive. In the dynamic field of robotics, various companies and individuals worldwide contribute significantly to advancements and innovations that shape the future of technology. Top robotics company. Boston Dynamics, renowned for their cutting-edge research on advanced humanoid and animal-like robots, is often considered a top robotics company. Big Four in robotics. The Big Four in robotics, including Boston Dynamics, ABB, Fanuc, and Yaskawa, make significant impacts in industrial, service, and entertainment robotics. Largest robot manufacturer. Fanuc, a Japanese company, stands out as the world's largest manufacturer of industrial robots, known for its wide range of robotic arms and automation solutions. Number 1 robotics engineer. Mark Ribert, the founder of Boston Dynamics, is recognized as one of the world's foremost robotics engineers for his groundbreaking work in dynamic robots. Largest robotics company in the U.S. Boston Dynamics leads as one of the largest and most innovative robotics companies in the United States, focusing on advanced mobility robots. Tesla's robot. Elon Musk's company, Tesla, is developing the Tesla bot, Optimus, to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks efficiently. NASA robots. NASA has developed notable robots like the Mars rovers, Perseverance and Curiosity, for space exploration and research purposes. Most advanced robot. Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, is celebrated for its advanced AI and facial recognition capabilities, making it one of the most advanced social humanoid robots globally. Walmart's acquisition. Walmart has acquired robotics firms like Alert Innovation to improve its logistics and supply chain operations. Leading countries. Countries like Japan, the United States, and Germany are considered leaders in robotics, fostering innovation and production in the industry. Discover more about the pioneers in robotics on our website.